rlaarlo DSK. All right, this time around it's going to be a little bit different. We got the rlaarlo DSK. We're going to do a little comparison test here. We've got their Hobby King's new graphene Panthers that are purple pack, I guess you could say, 5000s. We're going to run them together in 2 3S packs run for 6S, and we're going to compare it to the pack we ran last time, the Turnigy Bolt 9500. Last time out we got 105, and so we changed it one tooth, and we're going to compare these two packs and see which one comes out on top. All right, let's get started. All right, we're ready to go. First pack, we're going to use the Turnigy Bolt X. Let's see here. You can see it's tracking. Stop, read. Well, that don't work. Let's try this. Stop, read, 2 miles an hour. Stop. Okay. Make sure. Okay, I got our lights on. Up. Plug that back in. Get the remote. So this time around, we're going to see how the range does. I'm going to take a chance. Hopefully I don't go too far. We'll try and go a little further than I did last time, but hopefully I won't go too far. We'll see what we can come up with. Okay, that's where I turned around last time. I'm gonna go with the ragged edge right there, I think. Of course, it might be the fact that I got them power lines, but whatever. We always love these. rlaarlo DSK. Success pass. Sure sounds good. I like it. Again, we moved up one tooth. We moved up one tooth on the gearing. Man, so rough right there too. That Let's go ahead and do it this way. Let's see what the speeds are. GPS is picking up. Stop, read. Hey, look at there. A mile per hour is a mile per hour. We got 2,894 feet, 106. Not a bad deal. Let's get that breakdown real quick. Really? 102, 101 on the motor. $100 on the ESC. I'd say that's pretty solid. All right, there we are. Oh, right here, just to show. Again, Turnigy bolt, 9500. I don't charge these batteries all the way up to the 435. I charge the battery up around 423, 424. Well, you'd think this was like the last time I did it. That's unreal. I did that twice in a row. Tell me that battery's not consistent. 420 straight across the board. Ha! That's a legit pack. All right. Well, now we're gonna put the Purple Panthers in there and run it and see what it does. Again, 106. Turnigy bolt. All right, we're back with the DSK again. Now we got the Purple Panthers, 3S5000s in there, running 6S. Turnigy bolt on the last go around got 106. You can see that it's picking up. We got 1 mile an hour. All right, that's working. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Whoop. Turn that on. Let's see how it does. I don't expect it to get the same speed. I really don't. Just simply because these Panthers, I'm only running 5,000 milliamp versus that 9,500. So regardless, we'll see how it does. You can pick up 2 3S packs for considerably cheaper than that one 6S pack. So let's see how it compares and see if it's even close. All right, rlaarlo DSK. You know, I think the power lines is what messing me up, because down there at the stop sign is further than, you know, down there at the finish line is further than where I start at. Okay. Grab our little GPS. You can see right there, it's picking up. What did we get? 107, 2,966 feet. Holy cow. Huh. We went faster. Look at that. So maybe it has something to do with the weight. nevertheless, 107. We've literally gone up 1 tooth since we ran the 105. And here we are. We got a 106 and a 107. That's solid. I'm liking that. All right, let's check. Let me get this out of the way real quick. There's one 3S pack. There's another 3S pack. I'll do that here in a second. I'm gonna try and get some motor temps. 102. Back of the can, 106 on the motor. We ran cooler. 97 degrees on the ESC, 106 on the motor. That's wow. Woo boy. We got us a good deal right here. Let's check the voltage on these batteries. 3S 415, 416, 415. And this one 417, 16, and 15. And I can tell you, you just take my word for it. I started out at what is that? I started out at 423. So again, Hobby King Turnigy bolt, 9500 milliamp 6S battery. Did 106. The brand new graphene Panthers, purple pack. I don't know what else you'd call them. 5000s. Solid runs out of both of them. I can't really complain. And we got 2 more new PBs. We've been 105, 106, 107. Hey, next thing we're going to do with this, we're going to gear it up 1 tooth and see how far we go. Again, same spool, made by me, stock shafts, all stock rlaarlo, motor, ESC, servo. You see the servo, all that stuff. Haven't changed anything. We'll change, except the gear. We'll change the gear 1 more tooth. We'll come back out and we'll see what happens. We'll see. Anyways, 107, new PB, 2,966 feet, rlaarlo, DSK. And there's that.